Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
I'll call for that one.
Okay.
The sun is up, it's beautiful.
You're finished on the words. All the words, you're finished.
Me, I brought about like 6 months,
You?
Yeah, it's 6
I
there.
know your daddy have drunk 2. I gave course to 1, you gave the, and that's finished.
That is why I even wanted to put it here, but you went and put it in the freezer.
Sorry, there was me. What do you have one left here?
This one is seen so.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. Oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Don't wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts cannot lie, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together.
Guys, can you see my hair? I'm sorry that I could not carry you guys along, especially yesterday morning while I was rushing to go to the salon to wash my hair again because of the heat. Like, I washed my hair on Sunday, then I have to repeat washing the hair on yesterday, Thursday, before making the hair. So everything was, because my hairdresser was already waiting for me in the shop. So yeah, that's why it happened that way. But guys, I'm so loving my hair. I'm so feeling it. Like, I've not made a proper hair since this year, but I'm so excited that finally I make my hair, and I make something like I love so much. Because to say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So we are heading to my shop, and Coach is actually not feeling fine. She's not feeling too well, so I'm dropping her off So I'm dropping her off in her daddy's shop because her daddy will be taking her to the hospital for her injection. She started taking injection a day before yesterday. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another beautiful day. So today is Saturday. I am heading out right now. I want to go and fix my nails. Yeah, so I'm going to my nail tech. Actually, I didn't book any appointment with him, but I hope he will get a chance to fix my nail. Tomorrow is a Mothering Sunday in my parish, like I said earlier. Okay, towards the evening, before going home, I'll go and buy turkey. Okay, and I'll get other things from the markets, Bakindogo market to be precise, because I'll be making fried rice and turkey tomorrow. Yeah, with my own money, but with the rice we already have in the house. And then after church, I'll be going to my elder sister's house, because she is now my mommy, because my mommy is no more. Yeah, so I'll be visiting her tomorrow, and yeah, to do the needful. What I'm supposed to do for my mom tomorrow, I'll be doing it for her tomorrow. That is why I'll be going to her house, and she didn't know that I am coming to her house. So that is the update for today. And sorry I'm looking that way. I want to join the main road from here. Guys, I'm looking that way. So that is that for that. And whatever happens next, I would like to carry you guys along. You guys, my car is so hot. So guys, I'm done. I also fixed my toenails, and yeah, I'm heading to my shop right now. So I hope you guys are good. You guys are fine. I'm also like, I'm doing well. I'm just living my life as simple as I can. What do you have to say about my nails? Like, I love it. It's not so long. Like, I like the way it is. It's just moderate. Let me use the word moderate. And this is the first time I'll be designing my nails like this. You guys, I'm already at the car park right now. I want to go and carve my eyebrow, but this sun is too much, guys. Can you see the sun? Like, let me open the window, the glass. Like, the sun is too much. Like, guys, I'm so much obsessed with this design, these designs on my finger. Like, I love them so much. And like I said earlier, this is the first time I will ever design my finger like this. Like, the normal design is at the tips here. I'm loving it. Let's go to the shop. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because
You guys, I want to quickly tell you the update before I go home. Like, they haven't reached home since my last clip. Like, now I want to go and buy something in that mall. I want to go and get salad cream because the one I have at home is very small. I don't think it will be enough. And I haven't still gotten the turkey I told you guys. So I called my husband to help me go get the turkey, something that was supposed to be a surprise. Now I have to call him. Well, so that is that for that. I want to go and get salad cream, then we'll go home, and I think I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow, because when I go home I'll start prepping the thing for the food, because tomorrow I'm supposed to be at the church before 8:30.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart.
Come on, you go.
Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah. Boy, the one to show oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains all day. Oh yeah.
So you guys, here is my fried rice. I am done and dusted, and here is my pepper turkey. Time for me to go and take my shower. And happy Mother's Day to you, to me. Happy Mother's Day to me, okay, and all the amazing moms in the whole world. Yeah, so let me go and get ready and I'll talk to you guys. You guys, this is me going to church. Yeah, like, I'm so excited. This is the I'm always looking forward to. Yeah. Like the person that sewed this my blouse did me dirty. Like I've focused my mind on this blouse. If not, I have about 4 of them. I should have brought out another one, but I decided to make a new one. In fact, I like making new one every Mother's Day, because the blouse is not even an expensive cloth, and it turns another color as time goes, as you wash it, because it's a cheap lace and it's a uniform for like all Christian mother. You understand? Not just my parish. Even in the East, this is what they wear, except for CWO, people that wear the plain white one. And yeah, this blouse is so big. The first time I tried it, when I went to collect it, it was too tight on the bust. Then I asked her to loosen it up, and then I was okay with how the handle was, because the hand was tight, not so tight. I love it the way it was. Me coming back, the one had already closed. She was waiting for me in front of her shop, and I collected my blouse and left. And then this morning I'm seeing wonder, like so big, and I don't have any option other than to manage it. Yeah, so guys, let's go. I'm going alone. My husband is going to come with